today's video is one of your favorites because we get to create great food without you having to cook.
I know, if everybody who knows me, I'm not the strongest person in the kitchen. Thank goodness I have a mother who cooks phenomenally and a boyfriend who's a chef. So lucky me, right? Welcome back to our channel, guys. We're really excited because today we're gonna show you how to put together a easy charcuterie board for entertaining. We're using it for Friendsgiving this year, but you could use it for just a cool get-together, a post-work wine and cheese,
anytime really. And in our last video, if you'll remember, we did show the decor, kind of getting this whole thing together. And today you're gonna get to see kind of like the final part of it and putting it all together.
And if you didn't get a chance to watch that other video, we'll make sure to pop it up here on the screen somewhere, or we'll leave it in the description box down below. But before we get started, if you don't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, because YouTube doesn't always let people know when we have a new video coming up.
Well, that's rude. Creating the charcuterie board is very easy. All you need are some meats. You can add a variety of cheeses, you know, put some of your favorites that you like. You definitely want to add some type of nuts. And then we love adding some pickled asparagus and okra. And of course you can't forget your crackers. Have a couple of variety of crackers. We'll add some dried fruits and some kind of a spread. This one's a delicious one, a honey one with some pecans in there. I'm going to be serving some smoked salmon. I like to use cream cheese with the salmon, and I love infusing some fresh herbs, and in this case we're using dill. You can also use it as a garnish.
We just transferred it to another little bowl, added it with some smoked salmon, and with the smoked salmon we just added some capers on top, which are delicious, and garnished it with some leftover dill. It's really yummy and it's a great little addition to your charcuterie board.
Well, we've cut up all the cheeses and now it's time to start putting this charcuterie board together. So first things first, of course, I already washed my hands, and we're putting, we love these little pickled okras.
They're so good.
Alex, wasn't it, didn't we have these, what, in Austin the first time?
Yeah.
And they're just delicious.
And after that we said, okay, we're adding them to every charcuterie board we ever make.
Yes, we love going to different restaurants and ordering charcuterie boards so we can get some new ideas.
Added some dried copa. I thought I was recording the whole thing, but apparently I wasn't, so here it is. And then we're gonna add, for those people that really aren't into cured meats, we are gonna add some just deli turkey rolls that we're just rolling up real quick.
To start laying down the cheeses. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of Havarti cheese back on this end. I'm gonna add some pickled asparagus, because you know what? We all need our greens, and these are delicious. Another easy addition is to go to your deli department at your grocery store and buy some of these delicious grape leaves. Everybody loves these.
And they're stuffed with rice. They're so good.
Yummy.
The easy things to make your charcuterie board look really cute is these cool little, it's a little, they're peanut holders, and it says bar. And so all you do is grab some of the mixed nuts and you fill it on up. You have it, some mixed nuts in the cutest little holder.
Charcuterie board can be super simple, easy, and it's very colorful. I love it because it's got a variety of different things, from different crackers to some pickled items.
And trust me, all of this stuff is delicious. I already taste tested everything.
Having friends over can be super simple, and of course those are like the best memories that you have when you have people over.
Oh, yeah.
And you enjoy food, and so.
And it doesn't have to be stressful either.
No, it can be very simple. The fact that you don't have to cook, honestly,
a highlight and plus in everybody's book.
Definitely. And then you just pop open some bottles of wine, and everything is ready to go, and just have a great time. We hope you took away some cool tips and tricks that we use to put together a charcuterie board. If you did, or if you're gonna try your own charcuterie board, give this video a thumbs up, that way we know, and let us know in the comment section down below if you have a favorite meat or cheese that you like to put when you're entertaining. And we'll see you in our next video.